Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting parts and making the first connections. This is where functionality begins. Mount the microcontroller and SD card module into the breadboard or enclosure. Once done, wire the electret microphone to the analog input with a bias resistor so you get clean signal levels. Make sure the 3.5mm jack is grounded to the same reference. Load the audio library in your IDE and confirm serial communication. This validates power and basic I/O before now you build the recording logic and test it thoroughly. Flash the sketch that samples the analog input, converts to PCM, and writes a proper WAV header to the SD card. Once running, press the record button to create a short test clip. Make sure your code debounces input and toggles an LED for status so you always know what the device is doing. Adjust software gain and buffer sizes to prevent dropout. Then verify audio by playing back the file on a computer. To finish, secure everything in the enclosure and finalize controls. This completes the device. Drill a small aperture for the microphone, fasten modules with standoffs, and route wiring to minimize mechanical and switch noise. Add decoupling capacitors near the MCU and a low-pass filter on the input if hiss persists. Once assembled, run a few full-length recordings to verify stability. If you encounter noise or dropouts, check grounding, shorten signal leads, and recalibrate gain. Those fixes solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.